Hi there, my name's Edgar. In our previous video, we looked at linking your Salon by Premier software system with your Facebook account. Today, I'll be showing you how to save a message and post to this account through your software. So, let's spread the message. First, log into Manager if you're a single-site spa or salon, or Administrator if you are multi-site. After linking your Facebook account from the System Setup icon, head to the Marketing menu megaphone and click this. On the next window that appears, click the Social Media Marketing icon. The next screen will show 3 tabs. For now, as you're looking to create a new post, click the green plus in the bottom right. Next, select which social media network you would like to post to, in this case, Facebook. You can then select which page you would like to post to using the drop-down menu. Click the green tick once you've made your selection. In the box below, under the What Would You Like to Post section, click the Message tab and you will now be able to write copy for your post. In this instance, we'll be sending out a promotion. Make sure the post copy is structured so you can catch the attention of those scrolling on their feed. The best way to do this is to include an image, of course. Click the Images tab to do this. Next, you can click the green plus. You'll be presented with an option to include a before and after photo if you're doing that style of post, a client photo if this includes a client, or other image. If you do include a photo of a client, make sure you have their permission. You will then be able to locate the client in your system and include any attachment from their client card. If you select Other Image, you can instead attach a picture from your PC. Click the Open button and you will then see the image in the Images box. Once you're happy with your post, you can select to save for later or post this immediately. If you're planning to send out various posts throughout the week or know you have time now but not later, you can select to save for later and click the green tick. This post will then show under the Drafts tab. To then send this, double-click into the message or click the document with the tick next to it and then select the Immediately radial. Click the green tick to send this. The same applies for if you want to send the post immediately without saving it for later. Depending on your permissions, this will then be saved to the Pending tab for manager authorization or posted to your Facebook account. If a manager needs to authorize the post, enter the Pending tab and double-click into the message. They can then click the Yes, Approve radial and green tick to OK the message for sending. Any posts that have been sent will then be shown under the Published tab, which you can view at your leisure. You will now know how to post to your Facebook account using Salon. For other how-tos, tips and tricks, why not subscribe to our YouTube channel for weekly videos? We also have several social media channels for you to follow for regular content at Premier Software. In the meantime, check out our other videos and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.